Does your home feel cold, no matter how much you turn up the heating? If you live in a house with a suspended floor, you could be losing up to a third of your home's heat. Uninsulated floors let heat escape and cold drafts in, leaving rooms chilly even with the heating on full. Insulating your floor keeps the warmth in and the drafts out. You'll notice the difference straight away. No more cold feet and a healthier home protected from damp, mold and hidden pollutants. With Qbot, it all starts with a survey to make sure your floor is suitable. Then our award-winning robot goes beneath your floorboards, applying a closed-cell, timber-safe foam. The whole process is quick, clean and safe, with no mess and minimal disruption. It seals out drafts and moisture, keeps the heat in and protects timber from damp and mold. Over 5,000 UK homes already trust Qbot, so if you're ready to feel warmer in winter, get in touch to book your survey today.